Hey guys, hope you are well. My name is Ivan. I run Odenix, an AI automation agency, and I just want to take you through how I helped a family member's business, how I solved the business issues for her using AI. And if you watch to the end, I will take you through a complete demo so you can do the same thing for your business or someone else's business. So yeah, as I said, this family member, to be precise, my girlfriend's aunt. So obviously, I did it for free. She runs 3 foster care homes for young people. This is a difficult business to run. It's labor and time intensive. Mistakes can be disastrous. There's dozens of documents to go through for all the different eventualities. And so I decided to help with that problem, that I would build her an employee facing chatbot trained on all the different documents and text and everything. So every time an employee has a problem, instead of having to go to her or having to spend ages going through all the different documentation, they can just ask the chatbot, and the chatbot knows because it's trained on the data. And so the outcome, this is early days, so I don't have exact figures yet, but over time, hours will be saved, and I believe mistakes will be reduced, and that's very, very important because we're dealing with vulnerable people here. So any mistakes can be essentially disastrous. And so, yeah, as I say, I'm going to take you through a demo of how I did it and how you can do it. You don't need to be able to code. You don't even need particularly good technical skills. I think anyone could do this, really. So I use this app here, fastbots.ai. Just log in. Essentially, I've got 2 bots here because I'm paying for a particular package. This is the bot that I've actually deployed. As you can see, all I've done is upload a load of documents using this button here. You can also train it on URLs. You can add text, and yeah, you just upload a document by clicking this button and then this button. You can just upload documents like that. And then once it was all built and trained and everything, I just went to advanced integrations and connected it to WhatsApp with this button here. The reason I chose WhatsApp is because it is a business that largely runs on WhatsApp anyway. So it was just the easiest thing for her and for her employees. And so, yeah, it's very easy to do if you want to do something like this yourself. And yeah, if you want something similar for your business, get in touch. My website is on my YouTube channel. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.